Welcome back, folks! Today we're diving into the animal kingdom, where the creatures are funny, wild, and just dangerous enough to make you wonder why humans ever left the caves.
I need an egg. Thank you.
Instant egg? Great, now even chickens have faster service than my Wi-Fi.
Every time I get scared.
Okay.
Llama smashes the side window. Yeah, good luck explaining that one to your insurance.
And just coughed and fun.
Guess you can say he won that fight? This monkey ran an ad campaign Gatorade didn't plan, but absolutely needs.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
Blink, and boom! Your dinner before you even realized you were on the menu.
Wow, she's standing way back up. Oh, wow.
The parrot's rocking that bucket hat like it's plotting world domination in style. I guess the ostrich needed the phone more than he needed the food.
Ew, he's ugly.
That's cute.
She didn't have to crush his ego like that. Now he's skipping dinner.
Man, I'm on the phone. I'm trying to write an email.
This bear has better manners than most roommates. Guess he doesn't need to pay for massages anymore. He's got a licensed therapist at home. Who needs roadside assistance when you've got a monkey on duty? This little guy collapsed like a rock star after an encore. This dog's skipping away like it just won the lottery. Sounds like someone's grandpa got reincarnated as a seal.
Beautiful day. I'm coming. You make me nervous. I've got a...
Great. Now he's smarter than you and you can't see him. Horse and cat hanging out, like a scene straight out of a Disney movie nobody bothered to make. One cat meow gave the other a dirty look, and boom, it's WWE, Whiskers Wrestling Entertainment. This black cat is doing its best impression of a tiny, furry vampire.
I know.
Ah yes, the king of the jungle and valet extraordinaire.
I didn't know they could do that. He just came back from a bath. So glad I told you. Oh my god!
Apertura.
Look at him go, the ultimate feathered assistant.
Hey, baby.
That's your food.
Who needs a tow truck when you've got this four-legged hero? Ah yes, the dramatic serpent, master of the fake-out. Who needs a doggy door when you've got skills like these? In a bold attempt to clear the fence, this horse discovers that gravity had other plans. Fastest chase on Earth, starring Predator and Prey. A short encounter with a fellow feline turns into an Oscar-worthy horror escape.
Oh my god.
Apparently, the cat owns the store and insists on handling all transactions. Nothing like a surprise llama spit to ruin your day instantly. Who needs a jockey when you've got a duck running the show? And that's a wrap, guys. Proof that animals are hilarious, terrifying, and probably plotting against us. If you had a laugh, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what's your favorite animal. Just don't say cheetah. We've established that's a terrible idea.